Hello everyone, welcome to our structural engineering classes. So today in this class we will study about the future of structural engineering and the innovations added in it. So when we go for the innovations, first thing in our mind is smart or AI. So smart technology or addition of AI in construction field, and we will know what are the advantages by using smart technology and AI. So first we will go for smart structures and materials. What are the smart structures and materials? First is your self-healing concrete. What is that? Self-healing concrete is nothing but addition of some bacteria. Addition of bacteria, or you can say capsules to heal crack automatically. So we know that after construction for some period, you can say that may be 10 years, that may be 5 years, we can see a crack. We can see some points where crack started. Also by increasing the days, it will increase its length and width. So we will use that kind of bacteria to heal automatically. Next is your safe memory alloys. What is that? Safe memory means when a structure deform, so that will regain its original shape and size automatically. How can we do that? By using similarly a bacteria. Next is carbon fiber and composites. Instead of using steel, we can use carbon fiber that is lighter and stronger than steel. So that is beneficial for high performance structures. Next is your embedded sensors. So sensors can monitor load, stresses, temperature and cracks. If a crack is going to form or there is a type of crack is formed in future, that can known by sensor. That is structural health monitoring. Also we can say that structural health monitoring. So first one is your smart structure and materials. Next is your digital twin technology. What is that? Digital twin technology is nothing but, you can say, I have taken a diagram of bridge here. So here we have a physical bridge. So when I say about digital twin technology, a similar kind of digital, you can say, robot we have as same property or same physical property of a structure. That can be a bridge, that can be a building, anything. So by that, when there is any crack formation, if there is a change of loads, stress, so we can take the data from the physical structure, and in case of digital structure we can add or change the data and see whether any betterment occurs or there is any losses. We can see in digital twin technology. That is a very good point. Like we have a robot of what? Robot of a bridge. That is interesting. So what we can change? We can see if we give some amount of load in a physical bridge, and then what? We will directly put in a digital or that robot, and we can see whether it lasts for 15 years, whether it lasts for 10 years. We can see from the digital robot of the bridge, and we can put that kind of bridge ourselves. Okay, so these things already implemented Dubai at least. Next is your 3D printing and modular construction. Nowadays you can see everywhere these kind of structures. We generally says that temporary structures, but this is called as 3D printing and modular construction. 3D printing is one type and modular construction is another type. So some companies are there which are mixing both these things and saying it hybrid. So if we go for it, we can say this 3D printing is generally used for wall and foundation. Next is modular construction. Modular construction is generally for your kitchen, for small structures like kitchen, your washroom, etc. For small rooms or for interior parts, we can use the modular construction. Some companies are there, they are mixing both these things, 3D printing and modular construction, for making any office, any small buildings. They are for making it for what? For reducing the material or for reducing the wastage. We can say the concrete is the biggest amount of waste in this world. So to reduce those wastes, we can use now 3D printing and modular constructions. Next is your sustainability and green design. So sustainability is itself an independent building. You can say an independent building. That does mean the pollution of this whole building is covered by the greeneries itself. So by using green roofs or the net zero energy building, you can say this is a carbon neutral building. So by using green roof, solar panel and natural ventilation, we can say it is an independent building or sustainability itself. This is also called as life cycle assessment to minimize environmental impact from the society. Next is your artificial intelligence and machine learning. We know that everywhere is now added AI. So in case of building or in case of construction field, AI also implemented. So AI in case of construction is, the main thing is BIM, or you can say building information modeling. By this, BIM needs every small properties of your building so that it can detect whether by using what the cracks are formed, the stresses are not calculated, the force. It can calculate everything by taking a very small data from you. Next is your here predictive maintenance. Using machine learning on sensor data, so we can forecast the failure points. So what it does, like machine learning, by using machine learning, we can do, in case of here, we give it to very small data. Every small data of the building when we construct. Then by using sensor, it can say us whether the failure point, where is the failure point, and by what predictions or by what we are, so that our construction or the support will not fail. Next is your it also automates optimization of material and designs. Next we will go for advanced simulation and computation tools. Advanced simulation and computation tools are nothing but finite element analysis. By using finite element analysis or parametric design or generative design, it is very easy or accessible to compute all the data in case of a structure. So by creating a mesh, By creating a mesh, we can say finite element analysis is nothing but takes the data of any structure from you and it calculates or it shows whether the settlement occurs, where the failure occurs. So finite element analysis is also very useful by using like Plaxis, ANSYS. These are the softwares we can use for the finite element analysis. Okay. Next is your drones and robots. So we know that before every construction, we need to survey the place. So to survey the place, first we can use drone, that because it will take very small time and easily or accessibly it can survey the location. Next is your construction robots. Like construction robots we can use for bricklaying, rebar tying. Generally in India, construction robots are not used yet, but we can use it. So what is the future vision for future? So autonomous building, like autonomous building, we can analysis. We can imagine autonomous building for the self-regulate and self-repair. So how it looks like? So what is the autonomous building and how it looks like? So here is the example of a autonomous building, like from solar panel. Independently, we can take the energy by using the smart systems, waste management system, everything is here. So from rain, we can by using a battery, we can self-sufficiently take the water and create its energy. So when a building is autonomous building, so we will no need for the energy, and there will be no need for outside energy. It can create its own energy. So here these are the future scope for construction things, structures. Thank you so much.